gonna go in the air?
Yeah.
How high?
I don't know. We'll see.
Here.
Oh, yeah.
Sitting on it. I ain't touching it. I'm coming up. Ready to chill. I'll come over and crank it. Break the gas on the other side.
Ask him who welcome to seatbelt. Who welcome to seatbelt, guy?
I did.
Go ahead and get in. I'll get you ready.
How tall is he?
How tall is he?
Yeah, Andrew.
Well, it had heavy D in this
I
motherfucker.
mean, like, that's just a blower head, huh? I can push the gas.
Yep.
All right.
You're good. Tell me when you're ready.
Yeah, so when I go to kill it, I pull this out.
Pull this out,
Yeah.
and when it revs up like it leans out, just pull the ignition down right here. This is ignition. You ready?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna crank one. I'm gonna hit one time without. All right, here we go. Crank it up.
Power steering would have been a lot better. Damn, man. Power steering, man.
Hey, he broke the power steering belt.
As soon as I come around right there.
So I gotta go drive this bitch back without no power steering.
It's hot.
Yeah, it is hot. What do you think about that?
It's fun. When I first come on the track, the power steering belt broke. So the whole time, I was doing everything I could to turn it. Like right there, it broke. I seen it flying there. I was like, fuck. I thought it was a blower belt. I was like, no, not again.
Yeah.
Guess I'll go factory stock race now.
he fussed at me when I tore the side off his, and look at him. Man.
Unbelievable.
Hey, did you see me ride on the wall?
I did. But look, you're supposed to be a drag racer. He's supposed to be good on the tree, but on them restarts, he was lagging back. I don't know what was going on. Like he was asleep. Oh, he done good. Outside of a guy like that, especially here in the banking, you get away from him and get turned down the hill and use the heel to get momentum on him. You know what I mean? You kind of gotta time that. You know.
3 and 4, I could have got under Mickey, but I wasn't sure where everybody else is at. I didn't want to get slammed.
Yeah. Oh, you done good though.
Yeah,
He been telling you nothing. He been telling us about dirt track racing now.
Right in front of the pit bleachers, I was on the wall right there.
You hit it one time, didn't you?
Sparks come on.
Yeah, but my car ain't messed up at all.
I did see sparks, so something hit
So
him.
did I. Sure did.
Out of
'Cause I was
nowhere.
right
Like,
there.
I don't know why.
Hey, Rodney said for a track racer, you was kind of slow in the tree at the start. Yeah, really.
I didn't know I could red light.
I don't know. Yeah, you can't red light. What I'm saying.
And he was being in. He could have hit the damn wall, man.
I don't know.
You did hit the wall.
There was sparks flying. I don't know how it is. Oh, look at this.
You know your number.
Ain't no way that. Nah, that was.
The car was about 2 feet off the ground on this side.
Yeah, I don't know.
You sure look like yeah.
Yeah, but those two guys in the front of the big man had got a lot of laps in these races.
That's what I'm saying. Just racing.
Just being there with them is good.
One of the restarts, I forgot to put my shield down. Fucking rocket.
Damn rookie.
Drag her out. Because that's when my clutch wasn't working and I was freaking out. And I remember quick though. Wow, fuck.
You know what Kennedy said? She said, "Well, I did better than him."
Yeah.
That shit up there catches you. Like you just wait.
Sometimes.
You get you in them racetracks and it
One
don't.
time down here, it didn't catch me.
Yeah.
And I just gassed on it. Come out of there.
Don't worry, the wall will catch you.
How far back was the rest of the people? Because I didn't even hear
You had them gap pretty good.
Right there.
It was further.
Yeah, you got way out.
It was further of a gap behind you than it was in front of you. So that's true.
This little motor fucking runs too.
Yeah. Who built it?
What I really want to know is,
Racing.
hey, speaking of which,
Track, you hit it though, the power steering belt broke. And the whole time I was in there fucking turning it, like I seen the belt go, I was like, fuck.
What did you do?
The whole time I was in it, no power steering, I was doing this. And it's way harder to
We
turn
need to get them
this.
to announce that over the PA so they don't think you was just assisting.
Yeah, that's why I only joke. Like,
I wasn't sure which one you was in, but when the other guy went out and wheelied it up, I was like, yeah, I know which
As
one.
soon as I hit it, when I went on the track and I went around the corner and I passed one of the Tuppervilles, I fucking gassed on it and the belt said, God damn.
How many horsepower would it take?
Huh?
How many horsepower?
I don't know, it feels spunky though.
Does it?
You wrap off in it?
Does that feel close to a drag car?
About half.
About half.
Yeah.
When did this
Robert
happen?
said it was going to be.
He's,
You didn't see him in the.
No.
Oh,
What were you doing?
we'll be driving grave
I was
digger.
working, Rodney.
dude did tell me, he said, damn man, that's pretty good. Yeah, well, I was at nosedive and he said, he was pussy footing.
Like, out so far, but I'm
Them things ain't getting no traction at all.
Yeah, he was walking wheelies with his.
He had to bounce it up there though. And he was doing about the same thing you was doing. He was just
Yeah.
catching it right.